That's a good frame. So this is Cameron.
Hello.
She's going to be doing my wig today.
Yep.
For the first time. This is her first wig install. We're just gonna wing it. Here's the wig. I already got it unboxed, so you know, we're not gonna do all that. But this wig is from, how do you think you say this, bro? Is it Selly?
Where is it?
Sealy? Bro, I don't know how to say it. It's gonna be Selly.
Yeah, Selly or Sealy? Selly? Sealy? Sealy?
You see my dilemma?
Sealy.
It's from this brand, the same brand as the last wig. I can't read, so we're gonna go with Selly. And this is a 16-inch, I think it's 16 inches. It could be 14, probably 16. It's a bob, a little lob, and it's super hella cute, and we're gonna put it on today. We haven't customized it or plucked it or nothing. We're gonna see what it, you know, how it looks as it comes. We're just trying to get the hair down right now. That's what we're trying to do. While the wig is soaking in the back. And I mean, if you're gonna be wearing your wig for a long time, sew it down. But if you're not, you could just use pins. It might be uncomfortable. Up to you. Go adventure. Off you go. Pins is gonna have to do. Cameron here has been doing hair for how long?
Like 4, almost 5 years.
Almost 5 years now. Wow.
I know.
That's crazy.
I know.
Time flies.
It does not feel like that. You know when people are like, oh, I've been a hairstylist for 10 years, and you're like, dang.
I know!
You're like already halfway there.
Yeah, I remember meeting people and being like, that's crazy. She is down. And now we're gonna show you this gross water.
Yeah, ooh, yeah.
It got cloudy, it got thicker. It definitely got a smell. It got that wig smell for sure. Dude. Maybe it's color.
I hope it's color.
Maybe it's just color.
I hope it's color.
I feel like it is
I
probably.
feel like the shampoo off but
it's also that like silicone coating.
yeah.
Is
this? Well, that's not even for it.
No, it's a mic stand, but you know, we're DIYing it.
Yeah.
Homeschooler at heart. Okay. She's a 13 by 4 inch lace frontal situation going on here. Is there lace in the back? There is no lace in the back. My other wig had lace in the back, which turned out to be a joke because I couldn't figure out how to lay it, and it was difficult. And then I like fucked up my hairline and shaved it. It's probably growing back. Can you see growing back?
Funny. It's not bad though.
It wasn't. We're gonna put a little bit of product in here. You're so good at that. Okay, we're back. She's dry-ish. She's dry enough. She's dry enough.
So
Wig capping it up. Yeah, wig capping it up. No. Ooh, what's happening to mama? What? And they sell it at a lot of beauty supply stores, but again,
I've never seen it though there.
I don't really either. I'll see the gels.
Yeah, I
out of
see
the
the
gels. Is that what?
You wanna hold it like right by?
Oh wait! What? I feel like there's two. Oh! Whoa!
Resist!
You want it to be flat. Now, you could be smart and sew the back down. We're not gonna do it. It's not happening. We got the bold hold liquid gold that everybody be raving about. And we're gonna try it. She's gonna be evil laughing in the back of this whole video. I love you too. I love you. Ooh, she's a pro. Look at her proing. So, you know, I don't really know. We're just faking it till we make it. My arm is itchy. Will you scratch it? We're there, up on the surface.
On the surface.
Yeah. It feels strangely nice.
Don't react.
Stop, it looks like it's piling up. Okay, so you're gonna just kind of cut it off. Okay, don't cut me though. I'm so scared. Is it going? Is it?
Going.
Is it? Ah, I'm so scared.
There's no way I can cut you,
I've cut myself doing this.
Really?
Yes, yes. Oh, I'm scared. I think I have trust issues. I'm really nervous. Oh, girl.
So they're not against your...
Girl, I'm so scared.
I'm scared now.
I just really don't trust you.
This right here is
You want me to do
scary. You could do it.
But I know that when I did it, one time I did snag myself. And so now I have PTSD. Oh, the anticipation. Oh. Okay, whoa.
Back up! I'm scared. They're right there. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, she's cute. Oh, she's cute. Just kind of. That looks nice. That doesn't look like a bag. It's thick. Like it does need to be customized for sure. Where's the alcohol?
Not that kind of.
And you want to use a high percentage hazel, girl. I feel like in the background. First, it's got a little bit of a smell, a little scent of onion and cheese. It's gonna smell a little good, you know, like lemon bursts of lemon. But it's okay if it gets all messed. And making my skin look hella shiny.
Yeah.
This is not just important though for like your skin. It's also important for like the adhesive process. The gluing process, the bonding process of the adhesive. I don't even know. Oh, this is terrifying. So scary.
This is less scary than...
It is less scary, for sure, but this is still terrifying. Okay, we're so close to the end here. Yeah, she slayed on these baby hairs though. Okay, we're finished.
Ta-da!
This is the finished look. I think she did a great job. Look at these edges though.
I think it's pretty good for my first time.
Yeah.
Only up from here.
Woo. I also like the liquid gold gel. Ooh. It does feel secure, like as of right now. I'm surprised. I do got a facelift, like it's holding.
It's a pretty tight wig.
So it is tight. How do you feel about it? How do you feel about your first experience?
It was scary, but I enjoyed it and I want to do more.
Yeah.
Yeah, just get better.
We'll have me do it again sometime.
Yeah, practicing is perfect.
With a different wig that's not so fucking small.
Yeah.
Because these
small
ears,
wig.
it's the ears that are weird right now. But it's fine. It looks good in the middle and the edges look hella cute. I can wear it half up. Like,
Oh yeah.
Can you see the vision? Okay, well, thank you for watching the video.
Ring the bell, like, subscribe.
Follow the Instas, the Tickety Tacos. Yeah. Peace out.